Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about the top most powerful patterns. Okay. When it comes to scalping, when the price reaches certain area or a certain price, it is likely to bounce. From my years of research, I have seen that these are all the patterns in which the price actually bounces. Okay, and few more are there. I will update it later. Okay, these are the top most, and a few more research it's going on. So I will update it regularly. If there are any changes, I will also let you know. Okay, let's move on to the patterns. See, as you can see, the zone or the line which I have marked here, the zone here, and this area. This is supposed to be support or demand area. This is supposed to be supply or resistance. Okay, I will show you how to mark this line exactly. Okay. See, before I explain all the patterns, first you should know how to mark the lines. I mean, how to draw properly. Okay, let's move on to that. So we're going to trade only in these two pairs mostly. Okay, USD JPY and Euro USD. Okay. Okay, in Euro USD, there are many time frames. The most important are weekly and daily. Then comes the monthly. Okay, in daily, you should look at the line chart. The line charts are the closing price, which is very important. So I have taken a horizontal line here, as you can see, in red color, and I am placing it somewhere around here on the top of the price here. This is the topmost closing price, as you can see. I have placed it here, and you can see the market reactions here. Okay, so you should consider this as a support or resistance, a demand or supply, you can call it. Okay, this line here, okay, this line here, this is what I have marked in the pattern. Okay, it could be one line or two line, I will explain it later, but mostly it's a line of the line chart which I have shown you. Okay, the line, the horizontal line or the price 1.2155, it is the exact place where the price is likely to bounce and hold in the upcoming days or weeks or months. Okay, okay, I have taken one more line here, magenta color, which is for weekly. Okay, this is for weekly chart. You can take the weekly time frame here. I have shifted to weekly. From there you can mark the top, which is the weekly. Okay, which is the top of the weekly line chart in this place, as you can see here. Okay, just to identify between the weekly support area, I mean weekly resistance area, and the daily resistance area, I have changed the colors so you will not get confused while you're trading. Okay, there are more weekly line chart areas on the top areas, but the price hasn't reached there. So I'm showing this because the price has reached in that area recently. Okay, not only you can take the resistance or supply, you can take demand also. See, as you can see, the lowest price you can see, you can take here. in daily also I can take. Let's move on to the daily now. For marking daily, okay, this is the lowest one. So I'm just showing how to place the lines and how to mark it exactly. Okay, if you are not sure how to do that, see here 1.07850, it's a exact price. If you're not sure, you just place your mouse on the top of the candle. It will show you the exact closing price, okay, which is 1.07838. That is the closing price, 1.07838. You can change that and place it perfectly. Okay, it's just that you have to right click horizontal line properties. Usually it shows here, so you have to move on to the next tab here, parameters, and click here, and you have to edit what it is. Okay, as simple as that. Even if you can't find it properly here, if you place the arrow mark on the closing price, see in the left side here left side, as you can see, it will be much easier. Closing price 1.07838. Okay, you can see that and mark. So daily and weekly, it's very important. Based on that, the whole scalping course will be there. Okay, most of the time. Some other bouncing prices I will teach that too, but this is one of the most traded secrets by the experienced guys and the most professional ones and the elite traders. Okay, now I'll show the pattern. Okay, now let's see the pattern. This is actually when the price I have marked this is a zone. You can see, as you can see the zones, because there is a smaller bit of a line chart area here, as you can see I have showed you. And when the price, consider this as the price is in buy trend, it's meaning it's in the uptrend. Okay, left side is buy trend, right side it is in the sell trend. Okay, so the price moves up, down, again it goes up. When the price reaches to the same place, okay, where the price moved up, in that place usually a bounce happens. This should be in daily. The price should move vastly as mentioned here. Okay, up, down, up, down. Okay, the same here. Price is moving in the sell direction or a downtrend. As you can see, the price came down and again pushing up to the place to test the price here, and it will bounce here. Okay, so I will show you in examples so it will be very clear to you. Okay, let's move on to the examples. We'll see the recent one. Okay, we are seeing in daily, so let me ignore this first. I'm taking this red color line. Okay, see here, price went up, hold it here, again went up. Okay, as you can see, the price went up, down, and again it went up. Actually, it has continued to go up, but let's see if the price, according to pattern, when it comes here, it should retrace a bit. Okay, let's see, this is the perfect line chart support or demand area here. As you can see, I have marked the exact price here. I mean, approximately I have placed here. If you want, you can do this and you can check what the price it is and you can keep it perfectly. Okay, let's zoom on to, this is the area. Okay, let's zoom on to smaller time frames to see how perfect it is. See here, once the price reaches the area, as you can see, instant bounce from there. Okay, almost 90 pips. It came down, but it again went up. Let's zoom on to lower time frames. See here, Once the price touches that exact place, as you can see, the instant bounce almost 40 pips. Okay. Okay, let's move on to a few more examples. Okay, let's consider this one. Price goes up, again goes down, from there goes up. Okay, let's take the line chart here. Let's mark the line chart lowest point here. Okay, so according to our pattern, up, down, up, and when it reaches that area, it should bounce, right? See here, as you can see, it went up. Okay, it happens in all the time frames. See in cell area, as you can see here, ignore this. See here, from top to down goes up. I have taken this one, lowest price here. Okay, from there, once it reaches, okay, from there too. So line charts are very important. As you can see the bounce here, it's quite powerful here, 20 to 30 pips or even more up. If we zoom into lower time frames, you can see that a lot. Okay, okay, see here, the same price. When the price touches, price has been going up and down. Okay, again goes down, goes up, goes down. So again the price reaches to that exact area. Okay, this place, the first time, that is very much important. Okay, when it touches here, the prices drops most of the time. Okay, let's even check it in the smaller time frames. Okay, yes, see here, when the price touches the price, exact price, it bounces down. It came down almost 30 to 50 pips. Okay, it happens in all the time. I mean, it happens, as you can see, it happens in the smaller time frames, but the daily time frame, it's very important. Okay, and weekly, it's very important. Okay, let's clear the chart here. It is very important that it happens during the first time. Okay, see, I have taken this price, for example, it goes down, again up, from there it drops, from here, from there it again moves to the same place. Okay, let me zoom in. See here, once the price touches, it bounces. I mean, in this case, it's a sell trend and it drops a bit. Okay, almost 80 pips. So the first time when it touches, it is very important, and it is not necessary that the second time it should bounce, but the chances are more that the future market is likely to react in these areas. See, as you can see here, there is a bit of a struggle trying to break that, and again drops, and from there it hold it here, maybe in the future also it is likely to hold there. Okay, as you can see, it has definitely hold there. When the price is reaching there after a long time, it's likely to hold a bit. Okay, it's a few more 10 pips here, but it's likely in the uptrend. It's not a valid. I'm just saying that line chart is very important. On the first time when it touches, it is when the pattern works and works very beautifully. Okay, I hope it is clear now.